Hello YouTube. I'm here today with Molanwa. She's my student from the just concluded summer makeup and Gele tutorial class that I held at my makeup academy. So I'm here to tie the round Gele using a shoe key. As you can see, it's half yard. I pre-pleat it first before layering it on her head. That's a good technique. I asked Molanwa to help me hold it down. You can't tie the Gele alone without a little assistant, that is from the person you're tying it. If you have someone standby to hold, fine, but if it's you don't, just use the model to assist yourself. At least I prefer doing that because I might be in a situation where I don't have a third party there, so myself and the person I'm tying Gele for should be able to achieve it. Now after layering it neat onto the head, you arrange it and then cross it. The Gele is a 70-30% concept. So crossing over the 30 over the 70. And I asked Molawa to help me hold the 30. Then I go over with the 70 and then begin to plait it. Begin to plait it from this from the I say the left side to the right side. Yeah, just crossing, pre-plating, as you can see, just putting the plates in order because the plate is what makes the Gele nice and very attractive. So I'm pre-plating, layering it step by step. Then putting the plates in order is very important because that's the beauty of the head tie actually. So laying the plates neatly, one by one, it's the beauty of the Gele. So of course with so much assistance from Molawa, I try to put the back in order and then tie it. Now tying it from behind. Now is a round Gele, so I'll tie first, then continue with the pre-plating procedure. Yeah, as you can see it. Secure it properly by tying it, and while tying it you ask the person you're tying it on if it's too tight, because it won't be nice for your client to go out with a Gele that is too tight on the head. It's going to give them headache. So you ask them if the tying is too tight, at least tie it in moderation where it's not going to fall off from the head. Now after tying, I try to pull out one side and I'm laying my pleats from one side to another. Now arranging the plate actually. That's the beauty of the Gele, checking it out to see if the two sides are equal. And that's the whole beauty of the Gele. The plate, of course, take most of your time arranging the plates. Yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And by the way, Molawa did her makeup herself. So this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.